Hi everybody, today we're going to be focusing on hips, so let's get started in child's pose. Bring the knees wide, your big toes to touch, and reach your arms straight out in front of you. Take a nice big breath in, and exhale as you send your hips back and over your heels. Hip tightness is incredibly common, especially with day-to-day activity or maybe other types of fitness activities you like to do. So it's super important that we take the time to really stretch out our hips so that we don't experience other tightness in other areas of the body from buildup. Take a nice big breath in as you come to a tabletop position. Tuck the toes and press back to downward facing dog. Pedal out the feet right and left. Relax the head and neck. Bring your gaze to the top of your mat. Step your feet forward. You're going to bring your feet to the outer edge of your mat. Your toes are going to face in opposite direction, and you're going to bend your knees and sink the weight down. Malasana. Bring your hands towards your heart. Press your elbows into the inner parts of so right in the inner thigh, right in the inner part inside of your knee. Roll the shoulders back. Take a couple breaths. If this is too much, you can always bring your hands down to help with the weight. Roll the shoulders back, big breath in. Exhale as you slowly release the hands back down. Straighten the legs and just gently press yourself back to a high plank. Press yourself back to a downward facing dog. Inhale your right leg high. Exhale as you bend your knee and open up the hip. Keep your shoulders square and the weight is evenly distributed in both of your hands. Inhale, straighten the right leg. Exhale, low lunge. Bring the right leg forward in between the hands. Knees directly in line with the ankle. And exhale as you slowly drop your back knee. Inhale, lift the arms up high, big breath in. Tuck that left hip bone forward, lifting up using your pelvic floor. And exhaling as you bring the hands back down. Rotate to the side as you come to a side lunge. Placing the hand on top of the shin and the knee presses into the thigh. You can put a little bit of extra pressure to really open up the knee to the side, and you'll get a little more of a groin stretch here. Release the hands back down, walk the hands forward, low lunge. Toe heel your foot to the outer edge of the mat. Lizard pose, your toes are still going to face the front. And maybe drop the back knee down and maybe drop the elbows if your body allows it. If you'd like a deeper stretch, you can keep your back knee lifted while your forearms are on the ground. Plant your hands back down onto the mat. Right leg meets the left. Chaturanga Dandasana or downward facing dog, straight into it, your choice. Left leg goes high. Exhale as you bend the knee and open up the hip. Inhale, straighten, re-square the hips. Exhale, low lunge. Dropping the back knee down. Inhale, reach the arms up nice and high. Big breath in. Exhale as you bring the hands back down. Rotate it to a side lunge. Hands on top of the shin, elbow in the inside of the left thigh. Release the hands back down, low lunge. Toe heel the left foot to the outer edge of the mat. Lizard pose, same variation that you took on the other side. And if you experience more tightness on this side, that's normal. Inhale, bring your hands back down onto the mat. Left leg meets the right. Chaturanga. Up dog, breathe in. Exhale, down dog. Bring your gaze to the top of your mat. Step your feet forward. Inhale as you slowly rise up. Bring your feet a little wider than hip width distance apart. Reach the arms up. Exhale, horse pose. Bring the weight down. Let your elbows fall heavy over the knees. Rock the weight side to side.
Place your hands on top of the knees. Drop your right shoulder down. Inhale back to center. Drop the left shoulder. Inhale back to center. Take a big breath in. Exhale, bring the hands back down. Come to a comfortable seat. And that concludes our stretch for our hips today. I'll see you guys later.